projects that I've been working on, and I used this Hey Hello collection from Pebbles. This is a Jen Hadfield collection, and I just absolutely love it. I had pulled out all of my Easter spring papers and I came across this one and I was just totally inspired to create some projects. And my main inspiration is from this first page here. And by the way, this is the project pad that I believe I purchased from either scrapbook.com or Joann's. So I was totally inspired by this first page here, which is the stickers. And I believe they're the same stickers as the cardstock stickers that you can buy separately. And so I did use a few stickers, as you can see here. And what's nice about this paper pad is that it does come with solid colored papers that coordinate with this collection. So that came in very handy. I also used the ephemeras. These are the icon ephemeras, super cute. So I think I might have just used the flowers and a bird. This one here too, and I'm totally inspired by this little clipboard here too, which eventually I will also create. I'm not done with my projects yet, so I think I'm still going to create an embellishment with that. Not with that, but something like that. And I did also use some of the stickers. So I used a few of the banner stickers, and I think that's the main one I used from this sticker sheet. So anyway, let me go ahead and share what I created. Before I share my project, I forgot I also used lots of dies. I used this one right here because Jen Hadfield's collection had a bunch of animals, but I think this was pretty much the star of the collection. I pulled this one out by Spellbinders. But first of all, from that sticker sheet, I had to recreate these. And this one is actually a sticker, or is it an ephemera? No, I think this one's a sticker, and I think what I did was I put it on cardstock. Yes, I put it on cardstock. I just stuck it on cardstock, and then I stickled it. And then I made these cute little cones. And again, inspired by the stickers, because in this stickers right here, they have these flowers inside the cones. I kind of just made a triangle. It's basically making a triangle, but then you want to curve this side, and then I just folded it in threes for this way. And then I just used the sticker and put it in front. And then I did put some double-sided foam tape. So there's that. These little cuties. Oh my gosh, I love these. I've made some balloon some of these before, but with a different balloon die. I think I did the heart ones, heart balloons, but this time I did this one. And I love this one because it says Happy Day on it. So I did 3 of those, I think. Yeah, 3 of those using the paper collection. And I love using these coiled wire from Prima. They come in different colors, and they're these, you guys. And they're wire thread, and I love them because they they make them very interactive. Okay, and then I also made a flamingo because in this collection there's also a flamingo. And so the die that I used was that Michael's Recollections die. The only thing I did different was that I cut the beak, because the beak, it was like crooked. It kind of had like a hook and I just made it a little bit smaller just to make it cuter, because I didn't really like the way the beak was. And it is dimensional. Made this bicycle, and oh my gosh, this took me a little while to make because I did a lot of layering. It doesn't look like it because it's, you know, not very dimensional, but it is. It's like 3 different layers because this die set, this die is like one big die. So of course I wanted to use different papers as well. And then this is one of the stickers from the collection. I just cut it down to size. And again, there is a bicycle in this collection, so I had to make it. And then these, of course I had to make these because they have these coffee cups and they look very similar to this. And I used the stickers from this collection. They have the, I forgot to pull that out, but they're supposed to be shakers, but the little pieces in there, they actually get stuck on top. Yeah, they, you know, because it's acetate and it sticks, static cling, I guess. So anyway, this is very dimensional too. I also made these. This one is pretty flat, but I did use 2 pieces of cardstock, just so you can see the hello on there. And I just made a couple of these. One of the pattern paper from this collection had a little hedgehog with a dollop of whipped cream on top, and it's like a little cupcake. This one's a little kitty, so there is a cat also in this collection. But anyway, and then I just put some foam tape. And here's the star of the show. I had to make this using that die and the Rosie's die. So I layered it. So I wanted them to be gold. I don't know why, but instead of brown, I wanted them gold. And then I used these flowers, which I think these are Wild Orchid Craft flowers, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm sorry for the glare, but there you go. I made 3 little hedgehogs. I think they came out so stinking cute. We're also purse stickers in this collection. So I whipped out my die from Alina Craft and made these, and they're actually coin purses is the one. Well, I think there's several stickers that are coin purses. I popped them up on, or I backed it up on foam. And then there was one that had a handle, a purse handle on it. And then I just used some Alina Craft bling to, for the, I don't know, like the clasp to open it. I also made this, oh my gosh. So one of the die cuts, or yeah, one of the ephemera pieces was a happy birthday cake. And it kind of looked like this, very similar. So this is just my take on it, and this is where I used that niche die from My Mind's Eye. And I used ribbon from Michael's, these ribbon right here, because it's scalloped. So I used this one. And I just glued it on there. It actually has adhesive. And then this happy birthday die was the one that my BFF Erica gifted me. Came in that set. And then these I had to do by hand because I didn't have any candle, teeny tiny candle dies. So I basically just took strips of the same paper, and then I put glitter cardstock on the tips of them in like little triangle shaped. memory decks. Isn't this cute? So I used the project pad again. It had the glitter paper in there, so I went ahead and cut that out, and I cut it out twice with the glitter and also this pink pattern paper that have daisies on them. And this does open up because it does have Velcro. And this is a die cut from the collection, as well as these and as well as this. But this one I cut it down because the circle was just too big. So I used my stitch circle die for this one. And then you guys have seen my charms, these charms here. I used the Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio beads. And I just added this little, I think this is from Michael's or Hobby Lobby, I can't remember, the rose. And then inside, I have some my information on there, and then I just put a little sticker, and came out real cute. And this is the back. Love this die, so cute. So there's that. And there are my little critters again. And this is the hedgehog. And this was actually inspired by Maggie Holmes. I saw on scrapbook.com she had this, I think it's called Day to Day, and it's a tassel charm. But it also came with, I don't know if it's made out of paper, but it looked like this, without the hedgehog, of course. And she actually used also the ribbon clasps. So I thought, oh wow, I gotta make that. And so I made, this is my version. And I just used the gold cardstock from Michael's. And these were stickers, so they're, you know, really flimsy. So I did back this up with the gold cardstock. So it looks pretty nice on the back too. And then I just put it on this pin. Used some jump rings. And look how cute. So it says happy birthday, yay, 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 let's party. So as you can tell, this is a birthday themed project that I'm doing. I had to create this because this is actually a die cut, and it's already a big die cut that's a bookmark. But I wanted to also put this little ribbon clasp, and this is the big one. And I have my ribbon clasps here, you guys. I get this from Amazon, and I've had this for years. And I have them in different metal colors. I have the silver, this gold, and then I also have a rose gold one too. That's kind of like coppery looking. So I just die cut these banner pieces right here. Those are Elena Craft banner dies. And then I layered it on top here. And then this is one of the ephemera pieces. And I just popped it up on some foam. And then you guys have already seen this. Part of my Easter dangles. Since I was already making these right here. And I had my clasps out. So here it is. Here's my take on it. I did these colors, and I realized I don't have a lot of these 1/8 inch ribbon. So I really had to search through my stuff, and I didn't really have all the colors that I wanted to use. So I even used this one right here, which is, I think, from Michael's too. It's like, or Joann's, I can't remember. Michael's, I think. Anyway, and then I just put the chain and some charm on there. And there's this one right here. And for this one, I even used like a whiter ribbon. And this clasp is a little bit bigger than the Maggie Holmes one. and I'll show you that one because the Maggie Holmes one is like this, and this is like the next size up. As you can see, this is wider, and this is ribbon, not paper, on the Maggie Holmes one. So, but I do like the paper too, like the one Gina made. Those are so cute too. And if you don't have ribbon, you know, these kind of ribbons. I used to have a lot of these, but I guess I ran out. Like the green ones and the reds, I tend to use for the holidays. So anyway, here's a little bow charm. And then this last one here, I have another bow. I thought it was a butterfly. No, it's a bow. I think I got that from Frank Garcia's studio. And then this one's did I show you this one? This one has a cupcake on it. Sorry, it's a little hard to show. So anyway, yeah, that's how they came out. And that is my share for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Sorry it took a little bit long, but this was a lot. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. And I'll talk to you later.